There we go. We can see it now. And I'm going to have to confer with Ralph to know exactly which hawk we're looking at here. We have a lot of birds migrating through the area right now, or coming into the area. It is the big migration. We've seen a couple of large birds. The harrier is out here. Ralph saw the sharpshin this morning, the black merlin. The red tails have been out. Kestrels. The guys saw the black phoebe. This one looks like it might be intent on hunting right now. I checked on the little osprey this morning. Oh, we're going to get a nice preening session here. Getting to see some of those feathers there, all flared out in the little breeze that's going on up there. And again, the sunshine is coming out. Getting a good look at this one. We've seen a couple of large birds flying over the area as we were down at the other end at the turnaround. Yep, getting all preened up, getting those feathers all in order after that rain. We needed the rain. We had a lot of smoke in the air. Not a lot, but enough to make it miserable. So it was nice to have the rain come in and clear out the air for us. We were just watching a little woodpecker, a hairy woodpecker, on the road that leads to the turnaround. We were all parked over there and heard it chirping, so we stopped and got a few pictures of it. So great, what a great find. This is awesome. We always look at the top of these trees when we're either coming in or leaving this area. And as I was following Ralph, I was just getting ready to leave, and I saw it and he saw it, and we were both pointing at it, and it's like, oh, there's something up there. Gotta stop and see what it is. And I roused up a little bit, and there it goes. Awesome. Okay, well, that's that video. You guys have a great day.